48. Problems. Problems have solutions. Non-problems don't. When I was a student, I was told that squaring the circle was a non-problem and to be avoided. In our everyday life, we spend too much time with non-problems. Most of our politics is concerned with non-problems, and the result is a growing disaster. Equality is an impossibility. People can't be compressed into one level. Absolute freedom is also impossible. It means anarchy and not freedom to attempt it. Our political situation grows increasingly worse because we are more and more concerned with non-problems. The same is true in the personal realm. One of the most common remarks heard by a pastor from rebellious youth, husbands and wives is, "I want to be myself." The trouble is they are already themselves, and they are imagining that a break from responsibility will make them a new creation, their imagined self. Most of our self-styled personal problems are non-problems. The basic problem, whether in the political or personal spheres, is sin. This is a problem we hate to admit to because it means admitting that we are sinners and have sinned. We evasively invent non-problems and as a result we have no solutions. Sin has a solution and he has a name, Jesus Christ. What our imagination can't do, he can do to make us a new creation, but a new creation according to his purpose, not in terms of our will. When we follow Christ, we do not eliminate problems. Instead, we face them for the first time, and we have the solutions in and through him. We move from the realm of non-problems to the realm of problems and answers. He is, quote, the way, the truth, and the life. John 14:6. There is no other.